At this time, almost every other person wants to know how to earn money from YouTube. Now, everyone is aware that by creating a YouTube channel, you can earn dollars from it, but still there are some misconceptions in their minds. According to them, maybe by creating a channel, you can also earn dollars by downloading the videos of others and uploading them to your channel. While this is not the case at all. It used to be 6 years ago that we used to earn dollars from YouTube by uploading videos of anyone and uploading them to your channel. But now it is not like that. Now if you want to earn dollars from YouTube, then you have to make your own videos and upload them on your channel, then you can go and earn dollars. When do the dollars come from YouTube? Just creating a channel on YouTube does not start raining dollars, but it requires a lot of hard work. Then you can go and earn dollars from YouTube. To earn dollars from YouTube, you have to join YouTube's partner program, which we call YouTube monetization. To join this program, YouTubers have set a target that you create a YouTube channel and upload your videos on it. And when you have 4,000 watch time on your videos and 1,000 subscribers on the channel. After that, you can apply your channel to the YouTube monetization program and YouTube will see if the target is met in 365 days. So YouTube joins you in monetization program and starts running YouTube ads on your videos, and then your earning starts. How to complete YouTube watch time. If you make your own videos, find topics that people are searching or like to watch. Make your videos on those topics and upload them to YouTube. This gives you a lot of chances that people will watch your videos more and more, and your 4,000 hours of watch time will be completed quickly. Also, you should follow trending topic and make trending videos, and this will also get views on your videos, and your videos have high chances of going viral, which can fill up your watch time in days. You can see the trending topics from Twitter, or you can also see from Google Trends. Also, if you go to the trending button of YouTube, then from there you will know what people watch the most. Well, if you follow my advice, I will suggest you to make videos in entertainment category, because entertainment videos are more viral and people watch more. If any of your videos go viral, your watch time will be completed in days. You just have to wait for one video to go viral. This is an introductory video. Further, we will talk about the YouTube algorithm in the next video. How the channel can become viral on YouTube in a few days with the help of the YouTube algorithm, and the income can start from the first month. Those who want to watch the next video must comment below the video and subscribe our channel.